How to check old chats in Snapchat. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Your camera will open up. Now navigate to the message icon. For that, click on this option of friends. Once you're over here, you're gonna find all the conversation. Now open the conversation where you wanna check the old chat. Now scroll up. You might find the chat. You'll only be able to get access to your old chats in case you have saved it. If you haven't saved the chat, it's gonna disappear in 24 hours. Likewise, other ways, head back, navigate to the profile page. Now click on the settings icon, scroll down. Under privacy controls, you'll find the option of My Data. Click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your Snapchat account's user ID and the password. After you type in that, you'll be directed to this page from where you can download the data of your Snapchat account. Check in for the option of user information and chat history and uncheck for all these options. Then click on Next. Now select the time period and confirm your email. Click on Submit. With that, you have just requested for the data download. Once your file is ready, you will be notified through the email address that you have entered over here. Clicking on that file, you will be able to get access to the old chats. So this way you can easily check old chats in Snapchat. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.